Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a seafood rice. Now for this recipe, I'm going to be using a seafood mix. I got this at my local Aldi's and it was $5.99. So it says that it has raw shrimp, calamari, bay scallops, and mussels. But the shell, there's no shell for the mussels. Okay, so I'm going to be using this for my recipe today and we're going to get right into. So I just put in about 4 tablespoons of butter and I'm gonna allow this to melt. So the butter has melted and I'm gonna start by going in with my garlic and onion. I'm gonna allow this to saute for about 2 minutes. So next I'm gonna be going in with my bell peppers. And I'll be putting exact measurements in the description box. I'm just gonna saute this for 2 minutes as well. So it's been going for 2 minutes right now. And I am going to start putting in my seasonings. I'm gonna go in with my Creole seasoning first. Followed by my Old Bay seasoning. And my crab boil seasoning. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of turmeric. And guys, there's so many benefits to turmeric powder and the root. And I'm also putting in my black pepper. Okay. Looking good and smelling good. So next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my rice. Now please wash your rice. Please wash the rice, okay? Right. We don't want no rice or cloudy water in it. We don't want that. So what I like to do, I like the rice to take up that color of those seasonings. See what I'm talking about? Yep. Just like I do with my PELAU, I really love my rice to take the color of that sauce with all the seasonings, looking and smelling good. And next I'm about to go in with my beef stock. Now usually for this recipe I would use chicken stock, but I was out of chicken stock. So I'm using beef stock and water, a cup of each. I did not add any salt yet, as you guys can see, because the beef stock does have salt. So I do not want my food to be too salty at all. So I'm gonna allow this to boil for about 5 minutes and then we move on to the next step. And I'm gonna go in with a sprig of thyme. Now you can also add a bay leaf, and this is halfway through. As you can see, there's still a lot of liquid. Now you can taste at this time to see if you need to add any salt or any more seasonings. I already did that. I did not have to add any more salt. Okay, so my rice has about 3 to 5 minutes left. There's not as much liquid left, and the rice is almost cooked. So this is the perfect time to go in with my seafood. I'm going in with my jumbo shrimp first. Going in with the mussels. And don't forget my scallops and my calamari. And I'm just going to be garnishing my gosh, guys, this is smelling so good. Okay, guys. Yes. Looking good, smelling even better. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you to all my new subscribers and all the persons who watch my video. I'm now at 800 subbies, so thank you guys.